So in this video, I am going to show you how to disable speech recognition in Windows 11. Disabling this feature can help you prevent accidental voice commands and reduce background processes. So let's start the video. To disable speech recognition, first open the Settings app by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows plus I key. Next, navigate to Accessibility from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Speech under the Interaction section. Here you will find the option for speech recognition. Simply toggle it to the off position. This will disable the feature, preventing Windows from listening to voice commands and improving system efficiency. So that's how to disable speech recognition in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video and subscribing to my channel.